Welcome everyone, it's Fury here and this is another AI Fury showcase video. In this video I'm gonna be showing the strategy little strategy game that I made for AI Fury showcase, but this video will be split for two separate videos. So this is part one because I need a little bit more time to create, all the systems that I want. Although I have this in mind that this game has to be very simple, because this is just a showcase game, so it's never gonna be released or anything like this. So I keep it simple. Okay, so this is part one. I don't have the fighting system yet, but I have the resources management stuff like this. So I'm gonna be showing this. First of all, just gonna say what AI is, my AI Fury is actually running, and this is pretty impressive comparing to the last video where, it was running only characters like walking around and doing stuff, hiding and stuff like this. So in this, at this point, AI Fury is running entire AI, like the workers who is building buildings, the helpers who is grabbing resources from one building, bringing it to another, and stuff like this. And also it's running the enemy AI logic. So there is a floating invisible brain in an enemy cities that he is actually creating buildings. He knows where to create buildings and why. So, for example, if he notices that I'm beating him up, because at the moment I don't have fighting systems, so let's say we are fighting economically, so he tries to have more gold than me and tries to steal all possible gold mines or gold resources to block me from having more gold than him, which he's unable to do because there is so many gold resources over there on the map that he won't be able to block me completely, because he won't even have time to do this. Anyways, yeah, so I have this simple map over here. Actually, it's the same map like before on the previous video. It's just modified, that's all it is. So these are the gold resources. They don't have proxies or anything. The AI can walk through them because this is just resources. I have to build gold mines on the top of them. I have this little UI here because without it I wouldn't be able to do anything. So I have this building the resource areas. They are gold, and I can put there up to 2 gold mines on one resource, so I can gain the gold a little bit faster. So this is the city that is, as you can see, he is already building school, I guess, and he started with the same buildings with granary and 2 workers and 1 helper. So he is now build at school because probably he will need more. He knows that he will need more helpers for 1 mine. The reason why I could have done some faster zooming. These are just normal characters like before, the original Crytek's character, but the reason why I put these blue spheres, it's not collision or anything. It's just a render stuff. It doesn't have collision or anything. The reason is because so many colors from the top, and the grass density is quite cool. So it's hard to notice them in this grass and on the map from the top. So this way I can see them better where they are. So that's why they have the blue stuff. So I have granary already here on the map. I have 2,000 gold, and this gold is actually showing entire gold within old granaries, and this gold is taken from some granaries when I built buildings. So at the moment we're gonna just focus on these 2 buildings, because, or maybe granary 2, but the barracks not yet because I don't have fighters created. So there I don't want, okay, I didn't want them to be like, I didn't want to click on the guy and tell him what to do. I wanted actually to have these guys take care of themselves, so I don't have to, you know, run around the map and tell him, oh, you do nothing, so do this, do that. No, they can take care of themselves. They can, helpers know what to do, workers know what to do. They have entire behavior done in AI Fury. So let's get right into this. I'm gonna build some gold mine. Let's do it like this in here. So as you can see, the workers are following now, so that they can, you know, they're gonna start building. They're gonna go over here on this. Maybe better like that. Here, so the more you have, the more workers you have, the faster build will go. So now let's put another one, because I can have maximum 2 per mine. So I can put another one here. So as you can see, if I want to build another one, it's red. I can't do anything with this. So yeah, so they're building and it's building up. So as you can see, I made this quite fast to build a lot of gold in short time, because I don't want to have this video to take like 1 hour. That's why the gold is building so fast. So as you can see, helper is already doing his job. These guys are building another building, and helper is walking around bringing this gold to the granary that you have over here. So he's going to look for the closest granary where he can put other unless there is some building that needs gold, like schools or something like this. So this is not like simple behavior, he is actually doing decisions. So another gold mine is created, and the reason why he's walking towards this one is because he's gonna go to the closest that have the most gold. So this one has 10 or something, this one got 40, so he's gonna go to the one that has more gold. So as you can see, he's building up our gold pretty quickly. So I'm gonna create a school so I can have more workers, so everything will go a little bit faster. So now let's see how is our AI doing. As you can see, he already built our also 3. Fucking hell, he's gonna beat me up economically. So he already built 1, 2, 3 gold mines. So and a lot of helpers as well. So he actually decided to do more helpers because he has more buildings to manage. So at the moment I can click on his buildings and see what's inside, because, you know, for the testing and stuff. So we can see how much gold he's got. 564 gold, and his school is full of gold. So he's probably just gaining now gold, trying to surpass me. So probably he's not going to build any more mines at the moment, because he doesn't even have gold for it. So as you can see, my school has already 149 gold. So the helper is bringing maximum gold until the school is full, and then whatever he has left he's gonna bring to the granary. So first of all he's gonna consider the buildings that are needed, like schools, like barracks later, and then if these buildings don't have any more gold, then he can do something else. So we're gonna build another helper now. It takes 30 seconds. These costs and stuff, it's not real. I just put them, you know, for whatever. I put whatever values there. Okay, so here, as you can see, he already filled up the school, and he's kept doing the granary thing. So another helper should pop up within 9 seconds over here. And wait for it, and he should start right away doing his job. So he's going to the mine, and they're gonna be doing this thing together. So at the moment they're just gaining money for me. Let's see how this guy is doing. Okay, he's not building anything else. Okay, because he already beat me economically, let's say. But I won't let him do it. So let's maybe we can create another gold mine somewhere here, so they can, you know. Okay, let's actually do 2 because I have enough gold for it. So let's do 2 gold mines over here. So this guy is gonna keep managing the gold, keep bringing the gold to granary at this time. In the meantime, I can actually create more helpers in here. I didn't create a queue system because, you know, every little system like this would take a lot of my time, and which I don't want actually, because, you know, I want to keep it simple. I just want to complicate AI a little bit, but not the systems that I create, unless this was some game that I wanted to release, but no, it's not. So these guys are building another gold mine for us. So, yep. Okay, so he thinks that he is actually way ahead of me with the gold, so he doesn't need any more gold mines. Don't be worried about this lag stuff, because this is animation issue with the characters. It has nothing to do with AI. So you can see they're building another gold mine. So this one has already 60 gold and so, and we have only 3 workers, which is probably not the most efficient way. At least once we have 4 gold mines, then we would probably want to have a little bit more. So let's create some more. So once he gets any gold, then he's gonna fill it up. He's got like 37, so he's gonna fill it up to full. 200 is maximum for the school, and the rest will be brought to the granary. So they decided to go that far because these buildings have a lot more gold, because they're far away, so obviously they have more time to build up the gold. So I'm gonna create a little bit more, like one more worker would be pretty enough. Alrighty. So yeah. Okay, I have like 940 and 44 gold. So I think if we want to create more mines over here to create more gold, then probably this granary is way too far for them, because this is gonna take a lot of time to walk from this place to that place. So we're gonna create another granary over here. So they're gonna be bringing the gold to the closest granary, because granaries they share gold, as you can see over here. So we can have a few of them, and they're gonna be managed properly. So my 2 workers, I probably could have created more workers just for the future maybe. So let's do one here. Okay, so they're gonna build this now for me, and these guys is just walking around, grabbing the stuff that they need, filling up the school, otherwise they fill up the granary and stuff like that. So yeah. So these are building another granary over there, and then. So I have these guys doing their job properly. As you can see, I have 803 gold, and the AI have already 3,500. Shit, I'm in a deep shit now. Hopefully, I can manage to. Okay, let's do maybe more. One more helper. The bad thing is that this AI has already like 1, 2, 3 gold mines, and I have 4, which is not big difference. In this case, I think we should create some more mines. So at the same time, it is draining my my gold from my pocket. So yeah, I'm now way behind the AI. So for the video, I could have played a little bit different way. So he's gaining a lot of gold now. Yep, a lot. 4,000 already. Because he's not building buildings, because he's sure that, you know, I'm way too far behind him with the gold amount for him to actually bother to build anything else. As I said, I'm gonna add more logic to this for the next video, But yes, let's enjoy this this little game. So okay, this is cool here. Have maximum, so granar you have 530 and 727. So building up this. So I'm going up pretty quickly with the gold now, so it shouldn't take too long. I'm not gonna be building anymore now because, you know, that would just take too much time. So, unfortunately, we have to wait a little bit for this. So, be patient. So they got their goal over here. AI is still running his city. Oh shit! But his gold is not going up as fast as mine. So probably we can wait a little bit. So his gold goes pretty slowly comparing to mine. Because I have like 6 gold mines, he's got like 3, half of it, so mine is gonna go twice as fast. Okay. I'm not building any more mines because that would drain my gold even further, so that wouldn't be too good. Let's wait a little bit. Let's go back in there so I can have his gold on the screen. 5,500. So I'm reaching now like 3,000, which is pretty a lot. I know it's pretty boring, but I may actually speed up this video, although I don't really like you know, working on the videos like, you know, with the Sony Vegas or whatever. Let's wait for it. Let's wait. So how is this guy doing? There, okay. Shit, he's pretty fast with this gold too. Yes, most likely I'm gonna speed it up now, and we will see how this when I'm gonna reach his amount of gold. Then I'm gonna, you know, bring back the normal speed. So I'm catching up with the gold now. So I should be at his level at any time now. So let's see what he's going to do when I manage to create more gold than him. So he's got 8,000 over 8,000. I got almost 8,000. So I should be roughly at the same point soon. Okay, I just surpassed him. So he decided to build another mine because, you know, I'm beating him up. So yeah. So he decided to build another one, which he is already building. And he's probably gonna do, as you can see, he is already creating another helper because he decided that, you know, new mine means a few, yeah, he's gonna build 2 helpers now. 2 helpers per mine probably. And he decided to build another mine actually because he sees that the pace of how fast I'm growing up is really fast. So he decided to build another and another one. Oh damn it. So he's gonna have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm not sure if he's not actually going to build anymore. So he's building helpers, a lot of helpers now to help maintain the entire thing. So I should probably maybe just wait. Okay, actually whatever, because this is pretty much all logic that I wanted to show for this video. So the rest of this, like more intelligent stuff and more like fighting system, we're gonna have soldiers that you can send and fight with and probably even destroy the buildings of the enemy. So in this case I'm just gonna try to implement this and wait for the next video to see how this actually turns out. So see you in the next video.